Hey friends, today I'm going to teach you how to build terrain in Roblox Studio. Please subscribe so I can monetize my channel. Alright, first thing you want to do when you build terrain is zoom out so you can really see where you are. You can zoom out with the wheel. There's a bunch of ways to zoom out. I use the wheel on my mouse, or you can use the S key if you didn't know about that. Alright, see this little cube here? Super useful. I'm going to click on top. It makes the view directly straight down, which is good. Because when you're building terrain, it's going to want to know what you want to build a terrain on. So let's go over to View menu and click the Terrain Editor. Where is that? There it is. This is just going to be some pretty simple stuff. So you can generate it automatically. I don't do that. So let's go to Edit. We'll add some terrain. So I like to use the cylinder. We're just going to add a bunch of grass. And so I like to make a big disc, and let's say the base size, just make it as big as possible, and then the height, you're about 6 units tall in Roblox Studio, I think, so let's go up to like, I don't know, 8, so we can still jump on it. We'll go to 18, and now see this disc here, it's floating in space. Can't really see that it's a disc, but it is in fact a cylinder. So this is going to paint our terrain. It's that easy. Oh, what do we want? Leafy grass. It's kind of my favorite. So this is just going to be a basic tutorial. Uh-oh. Why are you being slow? And so I'm going to, I think I'm accidentally building terrain upon terrain. So let's Command Z this. Go back to the start. And we just want one layer. And so we'll just move along like this. Yeah, I think if I go too fast, it skips up and does like a layer upon that base layer. But that's cool because it's fun to have features. But it's also super useful to just be able to make some basic land, so you're not just on the base plate. So it's literally that easy. And the reason I say do it from the top is because if you tilt things, it's going to want to figure out, like, what are you building the land on? Plane lock off. If we auto. Yeah, okay, so there's the grid. It wants to build it on this plane now. So if we look at what it did by going to the front, that's not really what we wanted. Although that is pretty cool. All right, let's go to the top again. You can click on these little arrows here to flip to different views. Top, and then we'll use the, what was it? S key to zoom all the way out. And this is pretty cool. You know, as a bonus, so let's play it now. And I think after we play it, I'll teach you how to make water. Because making water is cool, making caves is cool, but maybe I'll chop this up into separate videos. So I pressed play. I hope my walk speed is fast because there's a lot of walking I need to do. Oh, I need to make a video about creating a spawn location. So remind me. Also, please subscribe. If I get 1,000 subs, I can monetize the channel, which means maybe I can do this full time. Help you guys out. Ooh, look, I need to show you how to make a thumbnail for your game. All right, it's taken a while to load. Ooh, I should show you how to color terrain. All right, there's the terrain. Yikes, how tall did I make it? Yeah, too tall. So that is that. I'll come back in another video and we'll show you how to erode and drill caves and all sorts of cool stuff. So I hope you like that. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh no, the unicorn died. Let's go check it out. You okay? Nope, not okay.